Access, Module 1, Getting Started with Access, Visual Workshop. Open up 1-4, enable the content, and we're going to create a simple query wizard. So choose Create, and it's a query wizard, and it's a simple query wizard. Click OK. And then you are working from all these tables that are showing us objects on the left hand side, and when you click the down arrow, all of these tables that are listed here show up in here as well. So the first thing we're going to do is from the classes table, which is the first one, and they would like you to select the class number, the description, and the credits, and that's everything that's in there. So you can actually click one at a time or select all of them to go over there. And then the next thing we'll do is go to the sections table. So click your down arrow and choose sections, and there's a little bit more fields in this one, but they only want the section number, so I'm going to bring that over with the right arrow, and the meeting day, so meeting day, and the time. So there should be 6 in all. And then go ahead and click next, and you can keep that as the default, which is fine. And the name of this one, so you can click up here, and we're going to call it Department Offerings. And then choose Finish. And it has it in alphabetic order by class number, and there should be a total of 59 records of information. And that's a save and submit.